Below, I'd like you to meet two independent restaurant owners, Ollie and Saad. They're both very passionate about serving high quality and made from scratch food. Their restaurants are in good locations and they operate in the same local market. But from few days Ollie and Saad are concerned about their restaurants, and the reason is besides offering a very delicious food, they are unable to generate good sales, and their profits are going down day by day. So, they consulted with some experts, and they reached that conclusion that they need to market their restaurants to gather people's attention and increase awareness among customers. But that's where the similarity ends. Ollie decided to hire a couple of salespeople, printed brochures and flyers. He advertised in the local newspaper, and within a few weeks Ollie started seeing sales have a lot of local customers. Ollie was excited, but he had very high overheads and very low profit margins. But he decided to wait a couple of years to see some growth. Saad, on the other hand, decided to market his restaurant digitally. He approached the reputable digital marketing company. They came up with a strategy to create an online presence. They developed the misleading website, worked on creating unique and quality content, implement SEO strategies, and also build awareness using social media platforms. Within 2 weeks, Saad started seeing sales and a lot of customers from all over the city. Saad was happy since he had very low overheads and very high profit margins. In a few years, Saad diversified and opened another restaurant. Couple of years later, Ollie realizes his mistakes, and he also hired a digital marketing company. Traditional marketing can only get you so far. Think local but act global. Well, for your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!